Hi everyone, I am back with something interesting again. Well, friends, we all may be a good researcher, but there are possibilities that we may not be having a good command on the English language. As a result, our academic writing goes very weak. In order to give a solution to this, well, I introduce you to a platform which is known as Trinka, Trinka. It's a platform which is freely available and it enables the researcher to have a Grammarly check and helps to enhance their academic writing. Let's explore this platform. So here I share my screen. We go to Google search engine. Here we write down Trinka. Advanced Grammarly Checker for academic writing. We click on it. We need to register for free. We need to register. I have already registered with basic details. They ask your full name and your email ID. So with free registration, once you register, you can log in. So this is how the interface of Trinka looks like. Trinka. This is a demo file. This is one of my files which I had uploaded in order to have the Grammarly check. And it helped me and enabled me also to enhance my writing using various tools which are available on the platform. So let's take a look at the demo file first. This exactly looks like your desktop or a laptop interface when you open up Microsoft Word. So these features are not new to you. Well, I have started writing my article, and parallelly, it gives me an assistance to check over my grammar, enhancement of my language, any kind of a spell check. Let's take a look. So if I say enhancement of the language, it says you can use this word or you can use a word performed. Grammarly check, it says it has to be not on 1984, but in 1984. So if you do not have a strong command over your language and you still want to write down a good article, then this is one of the platforms which can really assist you. Let's go back. This is just a demo file here. So let's go back to our home page. We can either create a new file here. When I say new file, let's take a click here and see what does it open. It directly opens here. So either we can start writing whatever we want to, and accordingly the grammar check takes place. Or if you do not want to have a direct writing here, see, I can show you. Something what I write here, it keeps detecting. So it says, the checking keeps happening here. So they are saying there's a grammar error. This is randomly what I am just typing, but once you start paraphrasing your article, what you want to write, then appropriately it will give you the spell check or grammar check. This was a file which I was working upon, which I give you a demo with. You can also upload any of your article. So you say upload. I have an article here on my desktop. So here I take it. I was working on an article or a research study, I can say, something on CCTV surveillance. So I say upload this file. It's uploading. The file gets automatically uploaded here. So this is a file, what you can see, which is uploaded. And towards the right hand side, you see it's giving me enhancement, grammar check, spell check. So if I say, okay, enhances word, it says delete already. Doesn't sound good. And these are the errors, what it is showing in my article, what I'm writing. So the grammar check, it has to be has, very good. So this is UABC, that's a grammar check. This shows consistency. For example, I'm writing M commerce in my paper. So I either write down as capital M hyphen commerce, or I just write down capital M and commerce. So entire article where I'm using these words time and again, M commerce, it has to have some consistency in which way I'm writing it. So it checks the consistency of the article. And a publication check, this is what something I like. The paper in the journal in which you want to publish your paper. And if you type that particular journal, it will say whether your paper is fit for the journal based on various parameters. So I need to write down the name of the journal in which I want to publish my paper. And these are the various aspects that they're going to have the publication check on. Does it match the standard of the journal in which you want to publish? Does it have the ethical compliances? It checks the plagiarism here. It checks over my tables and figures. So these are authorship details. These are various aspects that it checks if I want to have publication for this article. Something very interesting I felt, which I could share with you. So this parallelly, when you are writing your article, it can simultaneously go on with the grammar check and the consistency. Wonderful tool that you all can use for. Well, these are the features you all are well versed, which is similarly happening on our Microsoft Word also. So nothing to get introduced here. And we go back to the interface, the home page. So as many number of files that you keep uploading and you keep typing, it will come on your interface, the files in which you have worked with. Please remember this platform, Trinka, Trinka, which assists you in your Grammarly check and helps you to enhance your language on the articles what you're writing. Happy learning. Stay tuned. I hereby stop sharing. Thank you, everybody. We see you back again with something interesting.